Me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today we are doing my Bath and Body Works collection. This is not even all of it. This is just all I have so far in here. We're gonna get everything organized. If you're not subscribed to the channel right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is on, so anytime I upload in this thing, you are alerted. Now, what you don't see are all my fine fragrance mist and some scrubs and stuff like that. I will be bringing them over from the other house, well, from the apartment. But we're gonna organize all of it into here and underneath all this area right here. This area over here is actually gonna be for different stuff, so Bath and Body won't be going over there. But my main objective is to get all my fine fragrance mist here. So I want to use this space mainly for everything that's up here, and then lotions and stuff and fine fragrance mist will go in here. So let's get started.
Speeding it up because it'll just be way too much talking. So I'm just organizing all the shower gels. Like, I realized that I had a ton of shower gels, but it wasn't my biggest weakness. Like, my biggest weakness is the fine fragrance mist, but shower gels is a very, very, very close second. But I think having shower gels are super important. And I have it not just from Bath and Body Works, but a lot of different brands. So I try to organize it, the regular shower gels versus like aromatherapy versus the moisturizing body washes, you know, the creamy ones, and the ones from Victoria's Secret, and also like miscellaneous ones from like other brands is how I tried to organize it all underneath the sink. One thing I did like about this place is that the room underneath the sinks was lit, so it was plenty of space to hold my massive collection.
So guys, look, this is already full. Like, it's a little bit of room behind there, but I don't want to use it, and I still have this much body care left. So as far as body washes, so they're going to go in the closet because I have a lot of moisturizing body washes left too, and I don't have the space for it. So I'm going to have a body wash row as well in the closet. Fill up a side drawer with it. I'm just scared of it's going to spill. Like, I don't want nothing to spill, and I don't want to use this because this is for the other stuff that I have. But let's see. Well, this one goes underneath the other thing. Let's see. Okay, hold on, y'all. So now we can layer them here. Cool, there's enough room.
You can see everything lined up here perfectly, so it didn't become an issue. Nothing's going to spill. But one thing I did realize is I need to stop buying shower gels. Like, I say this, but the good thing is the new fall doesn't interest me. So that means I got another season. I bought myself a little bit more time to use more of the items that I already have. So thank you, Bath and Body Works, for not appealing to me for fall phase 1, because I definitely didn't need it.
All right, guys, so let me show you what I end up doing with the scrubs. It's becoming too long to record all of it, so I just edited it down for you guys. So all the scrubs like that are like this, and I mimicked it on this side as well. And then we have the other scrubs. So it's scrubs on both sides. So yeah, it scrubs throughout both sides here. Now these top ones, I'm not going to put any, well, yes I am. This top one right here is going to be all the lip care and stuff like that. Butters, because the butters would line up really nice there. And I don't have the butters, they're all at home. And here is where all the body butters ended up going. So that's all my body butters. So now let's get on to the big kahuna, figuring out where I'm going to put lotions versus sprays. And my sprays ain't even here. So I'm going to see where I'm going to put sprays. I think sprays will probably look good in this area right here. So these crates right here hold all my body creams, all the different kind I got. Of course, some are from the recent SAS. They're just in those two right there because there really wasn't anywhere to put them because, man, mist took up so much space. I don't own a lot of Victoria's Secret mist. Like, look, that's my Victoria's Secret mist collection. It is very, very little compared to all the rest. And it goes all the way back there, as you guys can see. And then some miscellaneous ones from different companies. But mainly everything is, you already know, Bath and Body. So my shimmer mist and stuff like that are right there. And then we have all these ones. You see how far back this goes, man? This is what made me excited about this house and this bathroom, okay? See how far back that goes? Oh my God, it is crazy. And then, you know, I have some of the oldie but goodies in there, and then some of the newbies. Everybody's together. I don't have no rhyme or reason to how I set it up. Just had to have the shimmer mist off to the side. And then this is just some more right here. Some oldies but goodies, some newbies, and all the stuff like that. So got all that in there. And then I think this is the cutest part. I think this is it. I think this is the cutest part. I have, like, they're in rows of 3, all the different aromatherapy glass bottles. And then I have my little white barn thing. I have my gingham bear. And these are all my Bath and Body Works, you know, the Nourishing Face and Body Mask there. I think this is the cutest shelf. Oh my goodness, this little box thing, tray thing, I actually got from Marshall's, and I don't know, this is the star of it. This is the star of it all for me. And then up here are my lotions, because I don't have a lot of lotions, and my body oils, my Coco Shea and my Paradise Cove, stuff like that is up there, and Victoria's Secret lotions, which I only have a few, they're up there too. So yeah, that's everything that's in here. I think this area came out absolutely beautiful. So let me just wrap everything up for you guys. It was so much fun to get everything organized. This was my favorite thing to do out of all the getting things together, is just getting my bath and body together. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.